we're not your typical detail shop. When it comes to cleaning, correcting, and protecting your vehicle, we are the professionals. We are Chicago Auto Pros. Good morning, everybody.
Hello.
Thomas is back. I missed you yesterday.
Oh.
Let's go take a look at the Z8. So me and Wayne were working on it yesterday. We finished the undercarriage part of it. We polished the rest of everything out, and then we put BCO 6 on everything, and then we used Dr. Beasley's metal coat on all the exposed metal. I went and did that by hand. So undercarriage wheels are done. We covered everything. We've been working on the interior. So we already did, we did the detail part of it. We did one layer of leather teak. I want to do another layer of leather teak, and then we'll use the pristine clean on top of that. I want to do some polishing. You can see there's some scratches on those interior pieces there. I'd like to do a little bit of polishing on that, and then we're going to coat that. I think we'll try BCO 8 coating on all the shiny interior plastic pieces there. And then we got to do fabric protection on the carpets. We'll put the top up. I'd like to put a bag around the entire on the car, because we got to do fabric protection on that. And then it's polishing, and then we're gonna polish, correct. We gotta do the engine still too, so let's do that before we start the polishing. We'll get the steamer out here, we'll clean everything, and then we'll do exterior coatings on all the plastic surfaces in there too. So. Volvo XC40 design T5. It's a long name. They're gonna finish up doing the polishing, and then they're gonna coat this BC8. Oh, looks like we got some damage on the back bumper already too. Must be a Chicago car. So I did the paint protection film yesterday on the red Tesla. We're gonna do paint correction to it today. And what coating? BC Quattro? BC Quattro?
We just finished.
don't think we realized how much work it was going to be on the interior. We're almost done. Tadas is working on the leather. He's going to coat all the leather with Modesta LPS. Everything else on the interior is coated. We coated all the shiny parts, all the fabrics coated. We got all the rubber parts, door jambs. We got metal coat on all the stainless steel, the kick panels and everything. We went ahead and polished the door jambs, the outside of the door jambs and everything. So almost done with everything on the interior. We'll shut everything up and we'll do the engine part. And then before we leave today, we're actually gonna coat the convertible top. We're gonna let that sit over and dry overnight. And then hopefully tomorrow we'll be on to compounding, correcting the paint, polishing, and then to coating the actual paint. So a lot of work on this one, but it's worth it. She's looking beautiful. You ready to do the convertible top?
Oh, good.
All right, this is what we need to do. I got some plastic and we're gonna put down the top. We're gonna put plastic on the sides and on the painted surfaces so we don't get any fabric protection on there. End of day number 3. This is a massive undertaking, detail job that we got going on here, but it's coming along well. We're seeing a light at the end of the tunnel. We did the convertible top today. We're gonna let that dry overnight, and then tomorrow we're gonna start on the paint correction process. Oh, you did a test spot? Nice. And so this is a silver car. If you look at it first glance, it doesn't look like there's a whole lot of correction needed, but there is. There's lots of swirls. There's definitely some scratches in places that we'll show you a little more on the next episode. Excited to get into the paint correction part of it. It's
my favorite part.
It's been a lot of work, hasn't it? It's
God.
Unbelievable when you're trying to every little bolt and button and nook and cranny. I mean, it's crazy, but it's definitely worth it. It's fun to do. A lot of times when you're doing a detail, you can go on forever. You know, when you're always looking, and this gives us a chance to like, oh, you're doing everything. So I enjoy doing this. This is awesome. Yeah. What else is going on? So the guys finished the Volvo. They wrapped that one up. That one's going up tomorrow, I believe. Stay tuned to the next episode. You'll get some after shots of the Volvo. The Mini Cooper that they're working on, Jake finished up doing the vinyl stripes on that. They're gonna do a single step. And are we doing a coating, or is just a single step and wax? Single step and an SiO2 coating on that one. SiO2 spray will probably use CarPro Reload or Gtechniq spray sealant on that one. You guys know about that one. Ooh, this one looks shiny. Where are you guys at on this one? Is it done? So this one is all polished ready. They're gonna coat that one tomorrow. Putting Modesta BCO4 on that one, so. Rims are done, coated. Good job. All right, that's the end of the day. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time. On the next episode,